Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I am starting my prep for Christmas. So come on with me, guys. So one of my beautiful displays is this giant globe. I am loving it. So I'm going to be showing you like 3 different ways to style this globe for Christmas. So let me start out by saying that these items were thrifted, and I went ahead and created this dome globe. Some people call it a cloche. I choose to call it this beautiful snow globe. Now I went in my stash and I grabbed a couple of items, and I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and show you 3 different ways that I could be styling this. So I want you to help me with that. Now, as you can see, we're starting out by wiping this down, guys, because it gets so dusty. I am wiping this pretty frequently. And so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in my description box. Now, isn't this barn absolutely beautiful? I'm going to leave you to watch as I style number 1. So I think this globe came out absolutely beautiful, guys. We're going to head on over to the reveal, but I think it came out beautiful. All right, so moving on to styling number 2. So I already took everything out. So let's start with 2. So I'm going to leave you to watch. All right, so here we are. Number 2 is done, and this one is so beautiful. I'm not sure which one I like. All right, so now we're heading on over to styling number 3. So I'm going to leave you for a moment or so, and we'll be right back. Now, I don't know about you, but I think styling number 3 is my favorite. Not sure. You tell me. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.